Howie the Butcher back. Got some more information for y'all. It's a butcher's knot. Now I know this isn't meat, and what's it got to do with a butcher? Well, that's how I learned to do it, I guess, being a butcher. So it works great for tying up your cardboard sticks, and also it's great if you butterfly a pork loin and stuff it and tie it up with this knot. It works fantastic. You can use it for whatever you're tying up in the kitchen. However, always use cotton twine. Nothing else for meat products. No nylon, no poly, whatever. Cotton twine. Alright, so you simply start with the loose end and put it over the top of whatever you're tying up. Okay? You bring it back. Alright, so you put your finger like that and you cross it over. Okay, you simply let go of it and make another little loop. Put it through the loop, okay? So what you've done is made a slip knot. So now to get it nice and snug, you simply push against it, pull with this, and pull it nice and snug. Then all you have to do is make what I call a half hitch. Take 3 fingers, whatever, twist it like that. That keeps the knot from slipping. Sometimes I'll put 2 in it. Okay? And just cut off the loose ends. Now we're going to do it again. Like I said, it's pitch gray. I use it when I tie my sticks in cardboard, newspapers, whatever. It also works on meat. Alright, let's do it again. Over the top, the cut in, loose end on the bottom towards you. Go over the top of your finger. Do it again and go through the loop, creating a slip knot. Then again, you just push it and pull it with this, and you can get it really, whoops, a little too much pull. Okay, that's okay, we can save it. All we need to do is put a knot in it so it doesn't slip for us. And there we have it. So, handy little knot. Hopefully it'll be helpful for you and you can use it in life and have fun with it.